I was whizzing through the mould cupboard. Whizzing. And I thought, blimey, I've not made a frog for a long, long time.
No.
So I thought, I'm going to make a frog.
You didn't just make a frog, though, did you?
I made a few. I did make a few. I did. Yes. So off we go.
Okay.
Hey, folks. Welcome to the channel.
Hello.
This is me making frogs.
There you go. Thank you for coming.
So the first thing I'm going to do is pop some eyes in. And I do this using a little smidgen tiny bit of UV resin.
Yeah.
And then I hope and pray that I've got them in lined up.
And that you have to be nice and gentle that they don't pop out.
That they don't pop out, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I didn't just make one frog.
No.
I made a couple.
There's more than a couple.
Yeah, because I am in a bit of a pastel mood lately.
I know, yeah. What's going on?
Now, normally I am about bright colour.
Yeah, beige.
I beg your pardon. How rude. Seriously rude. But I think the effects of Bridgerton are affecting me in a way that I'm going with pastels. It's girlifying me.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to have a word with someone.
Well, she made me do it, so it's not my fault. She did.
I left this in because it made me chuckle.
Oh. I dropped an eye on the tray, and do you think I could get the damn thing up? It just would not. It was alive. I swear it was alive. And it just wouldn't pick up. Why have you left this in? There is no need to leave this sort of thing in.
It just made me chuckle.
But if anybody else has trouble with eyes, just so you know,
the struggle is real.
The struggle is real. It's a real struggle. It's not, you know. But anyway, eventually, very eventually.
Yeah.
How much did you leave in?
I just kept watching it. And I thought, hey, there we go.
I think there should be a round of applause at this point. Like a little cheer and, you know, a Mexican wave.
I don't think we'll go that far.
Okay. Well, anyway, I got all the eyes in.
Well done.
And I checked to make sure that they were about even, which they are. So I was like, yeah, that's okay.
And the eye slit thing is the right way.
Yeah, so that they're even.
No, as in you've got them the right way. So you've not got one going up and down and one left and right. So
but even if one does go left and right, there's nothing to say you can't have a boss-eyed frog.
Boss-eyed frog.
There's nothing wrong with that. That sounds like a band name, doesn't it? Boss-eyed frogs.
Boss-eyed frog. Or a drink. You can have a boss-eyed frog.
You could do. Now, next was the glitter. I had to get my glitter out. So, into each of these cups, I put 5 or 6 spoons of glitter. So just a tiny bit.
A tiny bit?
Yeah.
If I put that much in somewhere, you'd be like spitting feathers.
You're not allowed to use the glitter. It's not yours, it's mine.
Yeah.
You know, like your paint gun thing and all the paints that go with it are yours.
Yeah, but you can still use it if you wanted to.
I don't want to.
I know you don't.
And you don't want to use my glitter.
No, I do.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
You don't.
Nah.
I've decided for you.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So you struggle to make decisions for yourself, but you've decided that I'm not going to touch your glitter.
Yes. Yes, it's a good system I have going, and you shall obey the rules of the cave. Anyway, this one, the pink, is a custom mix that I made myself.
Ooh,
I know.
check you out.
I know. It's ever so pretty.
What are you going to call it?
Pink.
You're just going to call it pink? That's a rubbish name.
It's my pink. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but if you've made a colour, you need to
Well, what
name
colour
it.
would you call it?
All the other ones, you've got like Poseidon.
Yeah, because I bought those. That's the name of them.
Yeah. So you
I made that one. It
so you need
to
name it.
Well, I don't know what to name it.
Suggestions in the comments what Nikki should name her glitter.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take names in the comments. Yeah.
For your glitter.
Yeah, for the pink, for the rose gold pink glitter.
Yeah.
Ish. Because there's a bit of hot pink in there. There's a bit of rose gold pink in there. There's a bit of pink in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one's the Poseidon.
This is Poseidon.
You can't really see it very well because of the light.
There's a light. I know. I am going to examine our light setup. That is my next task, to ensure that the lights are optimal. But look at that orange. Can you see it sparkle? Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
As it goes in, oh. Honestly, I was like, I love this colour. It's so pretty. Now the yellow, I'm not convinced about the yellow at this point.
Do you know what it reminded me of?
Let me guess. Lemon curd.
No. It looks like the dregs of like when you've thrown up.
Stop talking.
Stop
talking.
Oh, look at that.
I did. I looked to make sure I'd put it in. So let me explain what happened there. Is I looked to make sure I'd put it in the right frog, and then I realised I turned it like upside down a little bit. So a bit fell out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it wasn't ideal, but there we go. No. Anyway, I dug out my Just Resin colours. Oh, and I've not used these very much because they are pastels, but I specifically wanted pastels to do this very sort of thing.
Yeah.
And
thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us. You are all legends. And you get an extra special. Thank you very much.
Indeed. Now, back to the Glacier. This is Glacier by Just Resin.
Yeah.
Now, it's not a luster colour. It's just a flat pastel colour. Yep. Now, if I wanted to make it luster, I could add a little bit of the Pearl Macro from Jacquard.
Yeah.
But I opted not to because I wanted it to be just that plain pastel colour, because I felt the glitter gives it just the right amount of sparkle.
Glitter do the work.
Yeah, basically. Now, this is peach.
Yeah.
I mean, peach. I'm using a peach. But it is so pretty, isn't it?
It does look peach.
It made me feel very spring-like.
Okay, yeah.
It made me feel springy.
Springy?
I had a spring in my step. I didn't really. I didn't. But I might have done.
The potential was there.
The potential was there for spring, but it did make my heart sing with joy.
I do like that colour.
It sang to me.
Did it?
It did.
And what did it sound like?
I'm not telling you that. I'll tell you after we have stopped recording.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Rest assured.
Okay.
And if anybody is thinking, oh, he'll catch that on recording, no, he won't, because I am wise to his wily ways.
My wily ways?
Yeah, I am wise. This is banana shake. And I tell you, this is a banana shake colour.
Yeah, it's yellow.
No, I mean, it's like a McDonald's banana shake colour. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous?
Covering up the
what?
The sick.
Stop it. It's not.
I can't help it.
You're so gross. Right, you are not allowed to talk for the rest of the video because you're gross. You're gross.
Okay.
So his feet were not covered in that one. I let it sort of sit about. No, strawberry shake.
I like that one.
I'd have murdered for a strawberry shake after this. I shouldn't say that. We'll get demonetized.
Okay.
Bleep that word out.
I'll bleep that word.
Bleep that word.
But it begins with them.
But I'd have, honestly, there's not a lot. I'd have sold my grandma for a blooming milkshake after I'd finished doing these. I would. So I was like, I really need a milkshake. And we don't have any.
No.
But I wanted one. I still want one now I'm thinking about it.
That would bring all the boys to the yard. You're singing that in your head now,
aren't you? No. No.
You have to pause for a second there and actually stop yourself.
I may have done. Anyway, there was two colours that were left, and that was the lavender and the mint. Yeah. And I thought, well, I need to make those as well.
Well, I mean, it'd be rude not to.
Yeah. If you're going to do a set, you might as well do the whole set.
Yeah.
So I did. So I grabbed out a little bit of a minty green glitter, making sure I've got the eyes in right.
Without tipping it all over the place.
Because I put the eyes are coordinated with the colours that I've put in the frogs.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to put them in.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I think I got one wrong, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Eyes are eyes. But look at that purple.
Yeah, it's all right.
You can see as it goes in, it is so sparkly.
That is good for a glitter.
It
I mean,
is.
if you're going to have a glitter, you want it sparkly.
Anyway, this is the Just Resin Mint, which is beautiful.
That looks, yeah.
I mean, they're just gorgeous colours.
For pastels,
yeah,
they are really nice, yeah.
But that lavender is perfect. I love it. I do. I absolutely love that lavender. I have a feeling that might well be a colour I go through quite quickly. Anyway, this is the day later, and it's a mega demould we've got going on.
This is the unveiling of the frogs.
The unveiling of all the frogs.
Yeah.
And I have to say, one or two of them were a little bit difficult.
Really?
A couple of them I found quite... My hands were quite sore this week, though, weren't they? So, yeah, I struggled with a couple. But...
And there's our
little logo thingy.
A little logo.
Yeah. But, look at him!
He's got blue eyes.
Yeah.
I thought he was supposed to be colour coordinated.
If I'd put green eyes in, you wouldn't see them.
How is that colour coordinated?
Because I wanted them to be different.
Okay. All right, okay.
For greening, you wouldn't see them.
I thought you said colour coordinated. I thought you were
colour coordinated, as in the colours go with whatever I've put in them. Like that one's got pink and purple.
Yeah. No, I can see that one.
But look at that one.
That's nice.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Now, you did spend quite a while stroking these after.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
That doesn't sound like me.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't sound like me.
Really?
And then we've got the orange. Oh, well, it's the peach, isn't it?
That's peach.
It's peach and orange glitter. Oh, look at it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
I was very happy with these. Bearing in mind, it's been a long time since I've made a frog, and these are super simple makes.
I think you've made up for it.
They are super simple, but to my mind, they are so effective and so easy to make something that looks so pretty. Aren't they?
Yep. Yes, indeed.
So if you're a beginner, it's a perfect little project.
The frogs, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
You just have to be careful with the demould because, yeah, like you say, you have to be careful with the feet.
Yeah, because you can bend them, but I've got a little bit of overpour on a couple of them. So they did need a little bit of tidying up, which, you know, that was fine. Didn't take me long. But that yellow, I think, looks really nice.
The banana
shake, yeah. And it doesn't look like what you said it looks like. Gross. Honestly. Well, wait till you do your big project. I'll be like, looks like someone's thrown up on it. Okay. Or worse. I'll come up with something worse. Anyway, look at the pink.
The strawberry shake.
I didn't really think it through, though, because we've got a little human coming next week, haven't we?
We have.
And I suspect that one of them may not survive the week.
Well, will. It'll just be relocated.
It'll be relocated.
Yeah.
And there we have it.
Yeah.
We are off to the glamour shots.
Yeah.
So, really simple make.
Milkshake frogs.
But beautiful, beautiful colours.
Yeah.
So, there is a link in the description with a discount code for Just Resin if you fancy having a go with them.
Yeah.
And if you enjoy our creative sort of chaos, YouTube Wizardry is about to suggest another video you might enjoy just as much. But if you have enjoyed this one, please do help us out by hitting that like button. And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well? And if you already have... Thank you very much. And hopefully we will see you in the next one. Yeah. Bye for now. Bye for now.